guys, so don't mind me, I look a mess, but anyhow, Gerael is about to make this bed for Halo, so I'm super excited because we're currently in the process of cleaning her room so that she can spend more time here because she actually enjoys being in here. So I'm just going to show you guys how he puts the bed together. He already cut everything and he is so handy. Okay, all right, babe.
Alright, so I'm almost done doing Halo's bed. Wrapping this puppy up, but I can show y'all like a little framework. Down to making like boards for the side. We got frame it up, I guess the face of it, you know. It's gonna be two sides like that. Boom, boom, bada bing, bada boom. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I've been doing this all day, and I should be somewhere watching football, but I'm sure y'all know that Sarah been bugging me to do this for a while. So, and Halo need to get out the bed. Like she just be. All right, I'll let y'all see this. See the end results when I'm done.
I took it already. He is hard at work, right, babe? The mastermind. He already cut all of this stuff, sanded it himself, and he's currently drilling and putting everything together. What'd you say? I'm thoroughly impressed. And I'm really proud of how well I did it.
But you didn't do anything.
It's like, I'm really proud of you, babe. You really did a good job. I knew you can do it because you're handy. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today is the day that we're actually decorating Halo's room. We sent them off to her grandma's as we normally do. So we're waiting for her to come home. We're gonna decorate it and then hopefully she is surprised and love it. So stay tuned.
Not now.
Finished product, guys. The reveal. This is her play area. I put a floor pillow here so that she can sit and play. The theme was rainbows and pastels. Gotta give you every detail. These are pink and white tassels on the curtains. This is a bookcase, or bookshelf, sorry. And then her books. This light is so cool. One of my favorite features. This is her toy chest, her fake cleaning supplies. And we put these fairy lights on here for her at night. And then added some pastel rainbow garland to it. I hope she loves it. And she is on her way home, so I'm gonna try to get her reaction. And I'll see you guys soon.
Wow!
You love it?
Yes.
The toys are still in the closet.
I'm there. Let's see.
No. Don't take the toys out yet. You love it?
Yes. I'm not gonna take the toys out.
No, not yet. Don't mess it up. You gotta keep it clean, okay? Is she allowed in your room? So why are you in here?
Ah.